Hi all, Fat Andy here. Oh, I've been working all morning. I am absolutely shattered with that heat, that really is. So excuse me if I'm a bit grubby, but hey ho. Right, got something new from Lidl. Braywood force beef smash burgers. If you can see there, they're new. Never had them before. See them up there. £2.89 for 4. So let's have a closer look at them. Right, here we go then. Braymore 4 beef smash burgers, succulent Irish and British beef smash patties, perfectly seasoned, cooks from frozen in 8 to 14 minutes. They're new. See a little certain suggestion there. Super for the air fryer, traffic light system there, and also they're 340 grams. What we got up there? Just tell you a little bit about Lidl and everything else. It's Friday. Right, let's have a look at ingredients. Is it ingredients? New cooking instructions here. Where's the ingredients? Find the ingredients. Ah, right, here we go. They're on this side somewhere. Right, ingredients as four season smash burgers, 90% beef. Then you've got pea protein, 3.5% seasoning, rice flour, salt, yeast extract, maltodextrin, sugar flavourings, rosemary extract, water sugar, black pepper, rapeseed oil, antioxidant, and scorby acid, whatever that is, I don't know. Right, nutritional information is there. Anyone want to take a look? As I say, 340 grams. Storage instructions there. Everywhere at the moment. Right, there we go. Safety warning, keep raw meat separate from cooked foods, which is common sense. Wash all surfaces, carton boards, utensils and hands after handling raw meat. Right, will do. That's your cooking instructions there. You can fry them, air fry them, oven cook them. I'll just stick these in the air fryer, I think, to be fair. Yeah, you can see everything on there. Obviously, it depends on how good your air fryer is, how powerful it is, etc. Additional information: produced in Ireland using British and Irish beef, although every care has been taken to remove all bones, some small pieces may remain. Warning: to avoid dangerous suffocation, please keep bag away from babies and young children. And then visit us at Lidl. Right, that's enough for that. Let's get them open and have a look what we got. Right, get these things open. There you go. 4 smash burgers. 2 each. 2 for me, 2 for Kate. How that sound? Slide some open, find some scissors. Yeah, give them a go. I'm hungry, I've been working. And there you go, that's your burgers. Right, I'll get these in the air fryer. Right, there they are in the air fryer. I'll put a couple of spoon bits of bacon in there. Why not make it a bacon burger? That's what I say. Right, I'll get this cooked up and we'll come back to you and have a taste test. See you in a bit. Right, burgers are nearly done. Some nice tomato, some nice red onion. Rolls, just 2 burger rolls, just toasted up. Bit of the old plastic cheese on it. Yeah, happy days. Right, that'll be out in a minute. Right, here we go then. Couple of nice little burgers. Let's see if we can melt now. I'll put the bacon on the bottom. We've got a piece of tomato in there, red onion. Yeah, so we've got a little bit of burger here to try first. So let's just get stuck into it on its own to see what it's like.
Not too bad.
That actually is quite nice. Then it is well seasoned, like that said.
Yeah.
There is a nice taste to that burger, isn't it?
There is, yeah.
I will say, very nice taste. Right, I haven't put any sauce on these. If you want sauce, you'll have to do it. There we go. Just go into it. That's all you can do in it. Happy days. Let's try it. That's nice, that is. Taste the cheese, can't you? A bit of red onion in there. Burgers are really nice. I will say, they are well seasoned, them burgers.
They are. They're really tasty.
Yeah, that's not something where you pick it up and that's bland. That's got a nice taste to it. Give
Yeah.
some tomato sauce. Right at the back.
Plenty of seasoning.
Tomato sauce I'm going to have. Kay don't want sauce. I'll just have a little bit of tomato sauce. That is plenty of seasoning. That's nice to have something with a bit of seasoning.
Yeah,
and it's not bland.
That you can taste.
Yeah, you get sick and tired nowadays getting food and it just tastes bland and you have to add your own stuff to it. They mess about too much with it, I think. But yeah, let's get in. That's nice. That bacon is nice as well. That was a nice big smoked back bacon from Aldi last week. Good, lovely that's taste on it. Together. Right, we're off to enjoy this. I thought I'd bring you that. New from Lidl. Will I say 2.69 did I? Or did I say 2.89? I can't remember. Let me have a look. 2.89 for 4 smash burgers. Try them out. They're new. I think they're worth it. What do you give it out of 10k?
Give it a 8.
I'd go a 9 on that. 8, 9, yeah, that's up there. Definitely worth it. Nice for the barbecue as well, for the summer I reckon.
Yeah.
So, yeah, try them out. Right, thumbs up if you like this. Give your comments below if you tried them before. They are new out in Lidl. 2.89 for 4. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so to help the channel. And we'll hopefully catch you lovely people in the next one.
Yeah. See
Thanks
ya.
for watching. Good burger.
Bye.
Lovely. Cheers. See ya.